so my name is Samuel. Thank you very much for joining us on Nova TV GH on YouTube. Today we are going to look at how to solve simultaneous equation using what the substitution method. So before you even start, you have to know what a simultaneous equation is. So a simultaneous equation is an algebraic equation that share common variable and also solve at the same time. Okay, or in simple word, simultaneous equation is an equation in terms of two variables. Okay, so an example is what we see on the board. Okay, so the variables that we have in this question is what is a and b. Okay, so our goal is to solve what the value of a and b using what the substitution method. Okay, so let's see how that is done. So solution. Now, substitution method is saying that, listen, before you start, pick one of the equation, make the variable the subject, then you take that and go and substitute into what the other equation. So this is what I'm saying. So for instance, I'm going to take the first equation, which is what 6a plus b is just equal to what 18. I want to make one of the variable the subject. In this case, it's best that we use what you make b the subject, okay, because it doesn't have any coefficient and all that. So if you make b the subject, what are you going to get? We have b is just equal to 18. This will go to the other side of the equal to sign, so it becomes minus 6a. Okay, you can name this equation 3. So now put b into equation 2. So what that means is that wherever you see b in equation 2, you just substitute by what? The 18 minus 6a. So that's what we are talking about. So I'm going to do that. So put what? Put equation 3 into equation 2. So let's do the substitution so that we see what is happening. So like I said, wherever you see b in equation 2, you just substitute by what? 18 minus 6a. So where is equation 2? This is equation 2. So we have 4a, then plus. Now in place of the b, you are going to put the whole of this. Okay. So we have plus 18 minus 6a. Then that should be equal to what? 14. Okay. Our goal is to find a. Now we have 4a. We have 6a. So let's group like terms. So we have 4a minus 6a. Then this is equal to, we have 14. This is positive. If we cross the equal to sign, it becomes negative. So we have negative 18. All right. Now 4a minus 6a will give us what? We have negative 2a. This is also equal to 14 minus 18 will give us what? Negative 4. Now, how do you find a? Divide both sides by negative 2. This side by negative 2. This will cancel this. When you come here, 2, the negatives will cancel. 2 going to 7, 1, 2 going to 4, 2. So our a is just equal to what? 2. Okay. Now, how do you find b? So pick this a, put it into any of the equation, and that will give you your b. Okay. So in this case, you can choose any equation, put your a, and then you get your b. So let's choose equation 2. Okay. So put a equals 2 into equation 2. Okay. So let's do that. So whenever we see a in equation 2, we are going to put what? 2. So we have 4. In place of the a, we are going to put 2 plus b should be equal to 14. Okay. Now this is multiplying. So 4 times 2 will give us 8 plus b should be equal to 14. How do you find b? So b is just equal to 14 minus 8. And so b is equal to 14 minus 8 will give us 6. Okay, so our a is 2 and our b is what? Is 6. So this is how we find what the value of a and b using, or solve this simultaneous equation using substitution method. Okay, thank you very much for joining us. I would like you to go and look for the channel and subscribe on YouTube so that you can get our subsequent video.